Welcome to a quick guide on elevating your wedding with chair signs. Today, I'll share some creative ways to display these charming details perfect for reserved seating or memorial tributes. When we created this product at Ritzy Rose over a decade ago, our focus was on crafting an effortlessly simple design, ensuring it enhances your space intuitively without any fuss. The key to a stunning chair sign is its simplicity and ease of use. If you're a visual person like me, watching a demonstration just hits different. So let's explore a few styles. First up, the classic drape. This method involves hanging the sign off one side, facing outwards. It's simple, elegant, and effortlessly directs your guests. For a more poignant touch, especially with memorial signs, consider a forward-facing display like this. It creates a heartfelt focal point, especially when paired with a photo or floral tribute. Now let's talk about chairs with character, like a curved back design. Here, centering your sign commands attention and makes a bold impact. In reception settings, an asymmetrical drape can add a modern flair. Here's a pro tip for any bride or wedding planner. Keep double-sided tape handy. A small piece can secure your sign in place, ensuring it stays perfect all day. This tip is especially useful for outdoor weddings or breezy venues. And voila! Just a few simple tricks and your Ritzy Rose chair signs will turn ordinary chairs into extraordinary tales. Dive into our collection, get creative, and watch the magic unfold at your wedding.